Elmer the elephant, big and bright. Deli the deer with branches so light. Robbie the rabbit hops in the green. Becky the bird with leaves in between. Loco Mo, let's play with nature's art. Twigs and leaves, make it from the heart. Loco Mo, fun with every start. Build your friends, never fall apart. Frida the fish swims with the flower. Penny the peacock shines every hour. Wesley the wombat digs with a grin. Shannon the sheep with wool so thin. Bill the bull stands with horns